Every successful business runs on one secret, a powerful strategy that actually works in the real world. But what exactly makes a strategy effective? It's not just setting goals. It's about knowing your market, identifying your strengths, using your resources wisely, and staying one step ahead of your competition. In this video, we are sharing how to create a powerful business strategy that actually works. Step 1, defining vision, objectives, and core values. A strong business strategy always starts with clarity. Before you even talk about sales or marketing, you must define your vision. What do you want your company to stand for in the next 5 or 10 years? A vision gives direction, and your objectives turn that direction into measurable goals. For example, if your vision is to become a leader in eco-friendly packaging, your objective could be to reach 20% of market share within 3 years. Alongside that, set your core values, the principles that shape every decision you make. These could include innovation, sustainability, or transparency. Once you define your vision and values, align every action toward them. A team that understands the bigger purpose works harder and smarter. When you have clarity on where you want to go and why, your strategy gains power. This clarity also helps you filter opportunities, so you don't chase every idea, but focus only on the ones that serve your long-term goals. A well-defined purpose is the backbone of every great strategy. Step 2, market research, SWOT, and competitive analysis. Once your vision is clear, you need data to back your direction. That's where market research and SWOT analysis come in. Start by studying your target audience. What do they truly need? How do they behave? And where are the gaps in the market? Then analyze your competition. What are they doing right? And what are they missing? This helps you identify your competitive advantage, the unique edge that makes your business stand out. A simple SWOT framework can reveal where you should focus your energy. For instance, your strength might be low production costs, but your weakness could be limited online visibility. Your opportunity might be growing e-commerce demand, while the threat could be aggressive pricing from bigger players. Understanding these elements helps you make smarter decisions and reduces risks. The goal is not to copy others, but to use research to build something stronger, smarter, and more efficient than your competition. Remember, knowledge of the market is not power unless you act on it strategically. Step 3, developing strategic options and action plan. With insights from your research, you're ready to decide how to compete and grow. This is where you determine strategic options and develop action plans. Ask yourself, should we focus on cost leadership, differentiation, or niche targeting? Once you decide your approach, outline the steps required to achieve it. For example, if your strategy is to stand out through product innovation, your action plan could include hiring top designers, improving R&D facilities, and launching new product versions quarterly. Break every large goal into smaller, actionable tasks with timelines and responsibilities. This ensures accountability and progress tracking. Another key aspect is resource allocation, assigning your financial, human, and technical resources to the right areas. Don't spread your budget thin. Prioritize activities that give the highest return. A practical action plan turns your strategy from a paper document into real movement. Businesses that win are those that act fast, learn continuously, and adjust their actions based on performance feedback. Step 4, strategic marketing process and leadership. A business strategy without a strong marketing foundation is incomplete. Once you know what you're offering and why it's valuable, you need to communicate it effectively. The strategic marketing process starts with understanding your audience and crafting clear messaging that speaks to their needs. Develop your pricing strategy. Decide whether you'll compete on affordability, exclusivity, or value. Align your product positioning with your market segment. Use both digital and traditional marketing channels to create awareness and build trust. But here's the secret. Strong strategies succeed only under strong leadership. As a business leader, your role is to ensure your team understands the mission, stays motivated, and works collaboratively. Leadership isn't about giving orders. It's about setting an example, encouraging innovation, and making data-driven decisions. When your marketing and leadership go hand in hand, your business gains both visibility and direction. Remember, marketing builds attention, but leadership sustains momentum. Step 5, continuous monitoring, evaluation, and customer retention. A powerful strategy doesn't end after implementation, it evolves. You need continuous monitoring and evaluation to measure what's working and what's not. Track key performance indicators like revenue growth, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction. If a campaign fails, learn and pivot quickly. Businesses that adapt fast survive longer. The final but most crucial part is customer retention. Acquiring new customers is expensive, but keeping existing ones is far more profitable. Build loyalty programs, ask for feedback, and constantly improve your product or service quality. Use data analytics to understand customer behavior and personalize their experience. Companies like Apple or Amazon dominate not just because of innovation, but because of consistent value, delivery, and customer care. Treat your customers as long-term partners in your journey. When you combine clear goals, strong execution, and continuous improvement, your business strategy becomes not just powerful, but unstoppable. And Step 6, building a culture of innovation and adaptability. A business strategy can only stay powerful if it evolves with time. The world changes fast. New technologies, shifting customer preferences, and unexpected market trends can destroy even the best plans if you're not ready to adapt. That's why your strategy must include a culture of innovation and adaptability. Encourage your team to experiment, share ideas, and challenge old ways of doing things. Innovation doesn't always mean inventing something new. Sometimes it's about improving existing processes or finding smarter ways to deliver value. For example, look at how Netflix transformed from DVD rentals to global streaming. It wasn't luck, it was adaptability in action. To build this culture, reward creativity and make data-driven decisions. If something isn't working, accept it quickly and pivot instead of defending bad strategies. Use customer feedback, competitor updates, and performance reports to refine your approach. Also, stay open to collaborations and partnerships that add strength to your business. When everyone in your organization feels confident to suggest improvements, your company becomes agile and future-proof. In today's business world, rigidity kills growth. The most successful leaders are not the ones who predict the future, they're the ones who adapt fastest when the future changes. So make adaptability part of your core business DNA, because in strategy, survival doesn't belong to the biggest company, it belongs to the most flexible one. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.